Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer stock from Robinhood to Charles Schwab. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest ways to open the Charles Schwab app or website and log in into your account, very important. Then go to the transfer account or account transfer section. Then select Robinhood as the firm you are transferring from. Enter your Robinhood account number. Then choose whether you want a full transfer or a partial transfer. Review the list of eligible stock or cash to be transferred. Confirm and submit the transfer request in Schwab. Then wait for processing. It usually takes between 5 to 7 working days, depends on your geographical location. And after that, check both accounts to make sure your stocks appear in your Schwab portfolio. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.